Phallus rugulosus is the scientific name of a stinkhorn mushroom. Rugul means wrinkly, so this is a wrinkly penis mushroom. It's widespread stinkhorn found in Asia and Americas. Like all stinkhorns, it produces spores in a malodorus that attracts insects who then disperse the spores elsewhere. Phallus rugulosus appears in a white stemmed form that is otherwise identical to the usual orange form. In fact, the white stemmed form can be found growing alongside its normal brother. Growing alone or gregariously in urban locations, including gardens, landscaping, mulch, wood chip beds, lawns, and cultivated areas, spring through fall in temperate climates, but potentially year round in tropical and subtropical areas. Fairly